Mabuhay! Sawadika! Annyeonghaseyo! Konnichiwa! This is your Unika! Ayan na! O, ganyan. Hey! Ito ang cute! Ayan na! Influencer yun! Another day! So ngayon, maglalakad na lang kami papunta falls. Hindi na siya ganun kalamig. Nalak na. So, nandito na kami. Ano tawag dyan, tita?
Skylon.
Skylon. So, ayun siya. Entry point ng falls. Init. Malamig pero mahapdi na sa balat yung araw.
Saan tayo baka? Diretso lang.
Stairway to the falls. Uneven.
Hindi mabasa yung stairway to the kabilang side.
Okay guys, baba na to.
Ang tirik ng hagdan.
Maliit lang siya.
Pwede mag-slide na ako.
Gagay. Ay, squirrel! Ang liit! Ang daming squirrel!
Ay, merong ano dito pababa. May pababa din eh. Ay, puro hagdan pala to.
Iga-guide ko kayo sa ato? Camping 101 with me.
Gagawin ka anong nagbebenta eh.
Nagbebenta ng tote bag.
Isa, oh.
Safe naman dito guys. Basta titingin lang kayo sa daan. Pag hindi safe, edi
Tulong na lang.
sorry.
Nagtaka mo ba? May sugat ka na.
Masisilip na natin dito yung falls. Ayun siya. Saan tayo bababa?
Ay, alam ko na. Ang tawag mo doon yung bamboo.
Ano?
Sinikling.
Ang laki ng falls. Mas malaki siya dun sa nauna.
Ayun na siya.
Ayun na. We can see it. We can hear it. Magko-cruise kami today. Tapos bukas mag-zipline ako. Nagpaalam ba ako? Hindi. Kasi kailangan tapos na yun. Pag nakita nyo tong vlog na to, tapos na yung zipline experience ko. Hihi. Grabe. Malaki siya. Ayun yung itim. Hindi siya immigrant.
Siya.
Ang laki. Ay, lumalapit siya. Ay, wala na. Lumayo na ulit. Maraming squirrel dito. Siguro dahil first day pala ng summer ngayon. Sabi sa news kanina. First day daw today ng summer. So, eto na siya. Yung falls. Ito yung tower kanina. Talagang walking distance lang siya within sa ano namin, accommodation. Ayan na, nangitim na yung ilong ko. Yan yung sunburn ko. Niagara pa din to. Ah, yun yung cruise. No, US na ba yung tawid?
Ano yan?
Yun, side na yun. Tapos, ayun yung... Tita, US na yun? Ah, okay. Tapos, ayun yung isang falls. Grabe, ang laki niya. Oh my God.
Solo.
Pumapasok sila dun. Oh my God. So, bibili na kami ng boat ticket. Tapos bukas mag-zipline ako. So, pababa na kami. Ayan. May ampias na siya from the falls. Ang saya ng zipline. Gagawin ko talaga yan bukas. Hindi ako uwi hanggat hindi natutuloy yung zipline. Excited. 9:30 to 10:30 pala tayo. Alam na kami. Uy, na-miss ko to. Na-miss ko, friend. Pag-zipline ng Target. Base sa ticket, boat departs every 15 minutes. So, ganoon lang kabilis yung interval. Ayan siya. Morning. Ay, ito yung paggabi.
Fireworks.
Kulay pink yung sa Canadian na raincoats. Tapos sa US, kulay blue. Ooh, so excited! Ay, ang cute. May pa...
Ay, picture. Bebentahan kayo mamaya.
Ticket para sa gastos. We're going on a trip in our favorite wagon. Falls. Ay, di po. So, ayun. So, naka-raincoats na kami yung sasakyan namin na boats. Ayan. May kapote na kami. Kakamping. magsasat na kami. Risk taker tayo dito. Sa taas tayo, Pepes.
I don't know. Sometimes like I don't even know.
Dito na lang tayo, gilid.
Explain it to her.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the line, sit or stand on the rails. If you have children, please keep them in your sight at all times. Children must walk, not run. The deck is
Ingat tayo dito. Lalapit na po tayo sa tubig. Wow, maambias na! Let's go! Maambias!
moving up the Nine River, look to port, or the left side of the boat, where we will pass the American Falls. It can best be described as the American side of Niagara Falls, which in comparison is a smaller waterfall that lies far to the left on the Horseshoe Falls and is located between Prospect Point and Luna Island. According to scientific study and historical research, it has been concluded that the American Falls will eventually transform into a succession of descending rapids due to natural forces of erosion. The high flow rate of water causes the fall of large sections of bedrock from the American Falls, which is composed of soft shale and limestone. Though the height of the
Maambias
American
na
Falls is
siya,
higher
guys.
than the Canadian counterpart, no daredevil ever preferred to go over the American Falls. All starts with the fall from the Canadian
Ah,
Falls,
nakakasana yung phone. Oh my gosh!
immense water flow rate and shale. The height of the American Falls stands at 180 feet.
Grabe, ang
56
laki.
meters. Its crest line
Pabagyo na dito.
1,075 feet or 328 meters wide. Its water flow, 75,000 gallons or 8,800 liters per second. In a recent notable rockfall, in 1954, a large section broke off and fell near the end of Prospect Point. Next is Bridal Veil Falls, the smallest of the three waterfalls. It was
Malapit. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this is it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. pa hanggang Pinas yung cellphone ko. Ibababad ko na lang siya sa bigas. Tapos na. Oh, so ayun yung bus. So another pila. Every 15 minutes naman kasi nagde-depart. Tapos na kami mag-cruise. Tapos na rin kami kumain. So, ayan. Maaraw and kaya naka-hood ako kasi malamig siya ng slight. Tapos mainit talaga yung araw. Like masusunog kapag nagtagal ka sa ganitong araw. Thank you for visiting. Thank you for visiting. Tutut. Ayun, hindi siya gumagana. Pero ayan siya. Ay, sorry, nabka.
Presyuhan nila, like rally.
Sinisingil na, sisingilin pa lang pala kami pagdating namin sa loob. So, may nahanap kami necklace ni Unta na pangalan namin. Ito yung sa kanya. Claire. Yan. So, bibili namin to. Complete a waiver na. Continue on your device. Pagtapos na, syempre.
Ayan, Daddy, oh. Ay, huwag kang tumuloy. Wag! Ayan, may kamay ko, may stop pa stop. Ano yun?
Are.
Huwag kang tumuloy.
Ano to? Ano
Ano
yun?
ba nga tanong?
Magche-check-in na ako now or never na to.
Ayan na si Sarah.
Hindi nagpaalam.
Ayan, oh, yan. Alam mo, sinabi ko sa kanya.
So, change ng plans. Ayun na ako mag-zipline kasi ngayon yung onti yung tao. Bukas walang gaya. So, dito pa lang yung strapping na and bayad naman na. May waiver na din. Strapping na rin.
Can he come up with me, or has he got to stay here?
I'm not going on it.
He's not going on the ride. It's only the two of us, but he can come up. Yeah. Lovely. Come on. Thank you.
Hello po. Nicole Ines po. Ines. So, sasamahan ako ni Unta sa taas. Sama ka sa taas? Okay.
Ah, 300 libras. Fecha, huwag lang
Sige. Pwede pala talaga si Unta sumama. Eee! Dito na kami sa taas. Let's go. Dito taas. Siguro mas maganda dito. Ay, hindi ka pala makakapamili. Hi! Ang kasama ko sa adventure.
There's nothing. Oh. Thank you. And can you also just look up? Yeah, perfect. You're good. You're good. Thank you so much. No problem. Pull the string. Yep. Bye. Ano sila? It's just giving your butt more space.
Clear on 3.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Tapos na. Thank you.
Nice. Come here. So, over here.
Okay.
So the harness is right.
Tapos na yung zipline ko. So, binili ko na lang din yung video ko kasi sayang naman. Nandito na rin naman ako. So, ang motto ko kasi sa buhay, kung gagastos ka lang rin naman, sagarin mo na. Kaya ayun, binili ko na lang rin yung video. Para lang mapasaya. Ito na. Oh.
I was pointing to her.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you.
There you go. Jump in there and take your seatbelt on. Okay.
Was once a working hydroelectric power station. Built in 1905, it powered electricity throughout New York State, but was decommissioned in 1999 to accommodate the construction of the falls you've seen it.
Sakay pala siya na
Stops
libre.
1,500 feet short. Though it's not the tallest waterfall,
You have
the
one?
mighty
You have
Canadian
passes?
Horseshoe Falls
Or you
is
want
the
them?
largest waterfall
Oh, you have it, yeah?
Did you know that 6 million
Oh, okay,
cubic
yeah.
feet of water goes over the falls
Yeah, you can use
every
it.
minute during
Yeah,
peak daytime hours? That's more than 43 billion liters
There you go. If you
every
want to take
day.
a picture here, you can.
So, may sakayan sila after mag-zipline. Pero ayun. Ayun pa rin yung falls. So, ayan. Ang saya.